Good morning. Today I am going to discuss two topics named nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarene and nature of carbon halogen bond formed between haloalkane and haloarene. Let's start with the first topic, that is nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarene. When we are talking about nomenclature, nomenclature of haloalkane, it is written that it is said that it should be noted that common name of haloalkane should be given by writing the name of respective alkyl group, respective alkyl group, and then name of halogen atom, name of halogen atom. So we should note that while writing common name of haloalkane, first we should name alkyl group of that haloalkane, and then it is followed by halogen atom, name of halogen atom. And for writing IUPAC name, IUPAC name of haloalkane, it is assumed as halo substituted hydrocarbon. Please note that what I said, haloalkane is considered as halo substituted substituted halo substituted hydrocarbon. So when haloalkane is considered as halo substituted hydrocarbon, it should be named as, let an example, these rules must be followed when we are writing common name, while writing IUPAC name, we should follow that rule. Let's take some example to describe these rules. We take an halogen compound CH3Cl, and first we are talking about common name. When we are talking about common name, we should first place name of alkyl group, that is methyl, and then this methyl name was followed by halogen atom, name of halogen atom present in it, that is chloride, methyl chloride, and finally we get common name of that compound, common name of that haloalkane. While we are writing about IUPAC name, we should name it as halo substituted hydrocarbon, and that is why we should name chloro, you should note that halo substituted hydrocarbon. If we follow that, we should find chloro, CLORO, chloromethane, and finally we get common as well as IUPAC name of haloalkane. We should take another example, that is C2H5Br. common name should be given by ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. While common name should be given by bromoethane. Bromoethane. This is all about the IUPAC as well as common nomenclature of haloalkane. Now I am going to discuss about the IUPAC as well as common name of haloarene. When we talk about haloarene, it should be noted that haloarene, it may be also termed as aryl halide. Aryl halide. When we talking about IUPAC as well as common name of aryl halide, we should note that haloalkane is common as well as IUPAC name. So we should keep in mind that haloarene is common as well as IUPAC name of aryl halide. When there are more than one halogen atom present in it, we are talking about when there is more than one halogen atom present in our haloarene or aryl halide, prefixes ortho, meta and para should be used while we writing common name of that compound. While on the other hand, Hindu Arabic numerals such as 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 should be used while writing IUPAC name. Let's take an example. Simplest example is on your whiteboard. There is halogen atom, there is halogen atom. As we know that haloalkane is common as well IUPAC name, if we should follow it, we get bromobenzene. Bromobenzene, common as well as IUPAC name would be same. And now when there is more than one halogen atom present in aryl halide, now if there is more than one halogen atom present in aryl halide, as you can see that in second example there is two halogen atom, that is bromine atom present in aryl halide. We should name it. When we are writing common name, we should follow that prefixes. So this position is called ortho position, this position is called ortho, then this one is called meta. So the common name of that compound would be meta bromo meta bromo benzene, meta bromo benzene. And when we talking about IUPAC name, we should use these numerals. If we give one position to the first carbon to which bromine atom is linked, then it would get 2, and then the last one would get 3. The IUPAC name we get is 1,3 dibromobenzene. And that was all about aryl halide. Nomenclature of aryl halide. We should keep in mind that haloarene is common as well as IUPAC name of aryl halide. Now, I am going to take another situation when in haloalkane, in haloalkane, there is more than one, that is two halogen atom present. You should note that we are talking about a situation in which haloalkane has two halogen atom in it. There is two halogen atom. If there is two halogen atom present in haloalkane, then this may be termed as allylic. Sorry, alkylidene, alkylidene, or alkylene dihalide. This name would be only follow when haloalkane contains two halogen atom. This may be further divided. In two groups, that is geminal halo compounds, and the second one vicinal halo compounds. It should be geminal when two halogen atom present in the chemical formula are linked, are chemically bonded to a same carbon. That is, same carbon contains both of the two halogen atoms, while in the case vicinal, different carbons contain two halogen atoms. Different carbon contains these two halogen atoms. Let's take an example. Geminal and vicinal halides may be named in common nomenclature system as alkylidene, while on the other hand vicinal halogen compound should be named in common name as alkylene dihalide. Alkylene dihalide. Let's take an example. Consider these case where same carbon contains two halogen atom. This case makes him geminal. And if we are talking about geminal halogen compounds, it should be named as, since there is two carbon, alkyl should be placed ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene chloride. While if we take an example of vicinal chloride, you may note that there is two halogen atom present on different carbons. That is why this is a case of vicinal halide, vicinal halo compounds. This should be named as it was directed alkylidene dihalide. And since there is two carbon atom present in that formula, so the common name we should give would be would be ethylene dichloride. Ethylene dichloride. Ethylene dichloride. IUPAC nomenclature should be given by following the IUPAC's guidelines, and when we give him numbers, 1 2 numbers is given. 1,1 dichloroethane, and this should be given as 1,2 because there are two halogen present on different atoms. 1,2 dichloroethane. So we should keep this in mind. For different situation there is different rules regarding nomenclature of haloalkane and haloarenes, and these should be clearly understood. And it is important that before giving a name, before assigning a name to a haloalkane or haloarene, we should clearly see that which category does haloalkane or haloarene belongs. Now we move further, and the next topic we are going to discuss today is nature of carbon halogen bond. As we know that halogen is more electronegative than the carbon. Halogen is more electronegative than carbon. That is why carbon halogen bond present in haloalkane or haloarene is polarized, is get is gets polarized, and this results in the formation of partial positive charge on halogen atom and partial negative charge on halogen atom and partial positive charge on carbon atom. As we know, since halogen atom has more electron pooling tendency, that is why shared electron would be shifted towards the halogen atom. This results in partial negative charge on halogen and partial positive charge on carbon atom. Since in classification periodic table we find that as we go down, size of halogen atoms, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, increases. That is, as we go down, as you move below, as we go down, the size of halogen atom increases respectively. That is why the bond length between carbon halogen compound, the bond length between carbon halogen increases also. That is, bond length of carbon fluorine, bond length of carbon chlorine, bond length of carbon bromine and bond length of carbon iodine follow the following tendency. You may note that as we go down, bond length increases in a manner. Another parameters such as bond enthalpy, such as dipole moments, bond lengths is given in your books, in your NCERT books. You may go and note the difference between these parameters. That is all about these two topics. Now I am going to close these topics. Thanks.